figuring you'd want it for Memorial Day through Labor Day.
Okay.
Yes.
So
we can actually take a peek here, and then we can head on over, right?
Come on first here, and then we'll go through the color choices.
Yes.
Brand new today, brand new today. I love that has been the broken record of this entire show. And so we're showing you now the classic 1.5 quart pitcher. It comes with the 4 glasses, and it comes on a sale price, $43.64, 5 easy payments of $8.73.
So you have the 16-ounce tumblers. They're in glass. Love these. Again, and I love the fact of mixing and matching your stoneware with your glass, right? Everything's going to stay colder longer. So sangrias, mimosas, all the different things that you want to put hot in here, cold in here, will keep it that temperature longer. And then marry it with the set of glasses, and you actually have a proper service. And that's what I love about it, especially around the summertime. Sweet teas, hot teas, all of those different things that we love to make and we look so forward to. Margaritas, I mean, just saying. These all coordinate. And will it match your dinnerware? 100% it'll match your dinnerware. Look how beautiful. So you could layer this now in with, of course, the drinkware and that beautiful pitcher. But you don't have to choose the glasses or the pitcher. It's a full service. You get it all. And we have all of the great colors over here, which is amazing. So we'll start up here, or is that okay? With the confetti. So that's gonna have, of course, all of your mixing and matching, and there's your drinkware right next to it. I'll give you just a
I'm
sec.
doing it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
That's driving me nuts.
You're the best.
Well, we gotta get you.
I mean,
I hope that noise didn't bug all of America. But anyway.
There's your confetti. Here's your blue. So think about Americana. I love mixing and matching the red, white, and blue. There's your gray, and there's your yellow. Come down here, we have your most neutral, your taupe. This all works back to the dinnerware.
That's most limited.
There's your red, and there I wanted to really show you all of the glasses, and look how beautiful this green.
Oh,
the
that
OG,
green.
right? We were talking about where this all started. So mixing and matching your red, white, and blue if you wanted to. Love, yes, glass
Just showing
and
ya.
stoneware. Glass and stoneware. So we have a table over there, which of course, we have some of your lemonade, some of your teas, all of those great things we look so forward to. And this is one of those that takes you from everyday to holiday as well, right? You don't have to just save this for the summertime.
So pretty.
Aren't they beautiful?
No, I'm like, it's a thick glass. Like if you're
Yes.
looking and going, okay,
Thank
I
you
can't
for
really
saying
tell
that.
her, is that like
Right.
a plastic or a resin or something like that? But no, it's not. It's
So you
like,
have your pink lemonades, you have your mimosas, you have Bloody Marys,
mimosas
right?
and brunch.
Making smoothies. So I love the idea of, again, having a nice smoothie in there. Look what we did here, sangria.
Wait, what'd you do? Oh, sangria. Oh, that you pour
I'm
over
coming
the
around. We did a little fresh cut fruit in there, and now we're gonna add a little sangria.
You know, I have to give my shout out to our food stylists and our chefs
They're
who put
amazing.
these shows together. It is such a laborious, and like they do such an amazing job. And everything on all these tables are consumable. And then you see them for like 10 seconds and then they go away. So shout out to all of them. Thank you so, so much.
Iced teas.
And that smells really good, by the way.
And what I love about this, you can put this pitcher right in your fridge, so that'll stay nice and cold until you're ready to bring it out. A lot of times, like if I'm having a dinner party, I'll make water. Well, I'll put water together with lemon slices and some cucumber, put it in the fridge, and then when I'm ready to serve and everybody's arriving, I will go ahead and pour the water.
How sweet if you have guests coming over, you have like the pitcher at their bedside table with the glass, and it's like, here's your water, so you don't have to come in the kitchen in the middle of the night, and you're already set up, and it's just like this really, really
I
nice
want to grab
experience
something.
for
I
them.
want to show you something that I think would be super
In the
cute.
meantime, because it is sharing the table, I have to call out the popcorn tin, which, again, popcorn, yes, but you see we have it in a lot of different...
This is still coming up.
Yep.
The galvanized tray, but what if you were to put the whole service on this beautiful tray, and now you have a way to bring it, because this tray's lightweight, you can bring everything right out.
And bonus points if you're wearing the cute apron while you do it.
That matches.
H2, that matches. Everybody at the bar is like, wow, this girl really has her stuff together. Okay.